Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to share one of the important topic of e-OA bills under GST, that is cases where generation of e-OA bill is not necessary. This is your lecture number 11 and this topic already comes in December 2019 examination, carries 5 marks. Okay, so without wasting any further time, let's get started. So there are various cases where generation of e-OA bill is not required. The first and most important is where the goods are being sent by a non-motorized conveyance. अगर कुछ गुड्स नॉन मोटराइज कन्वेंस के द्वारा सेंड किया जा रहा है, इन दैट केस ई ओ ए बिल इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. नॉन मोटराइज व्हीकल मीन्स यू कैन से एनिमल गाड़ी या फिर घोड़ा गाड़ी और यू कैन से हॉर्स क्राफ्ट और इवन यू कैन से थ्रो बाईसाइकिल. इन सब के थ्रू अगर गुड्स भेजा जा रहा है, इन दैट केस ई ओ ए बिल इज नॉट नेसेसरी. So first number one, where the goods are being sent by a non-motorized vehicle, in that case EOA bill is not necessary. Then number two, where the supply of goods being transported is dated as no supply under Schedule 3 of the Act. अंडर शेड्यूल 3 ऑफ द एक्ट मीन्स शेड्यूल 3 कहता है एम्प्लॉई सर्विसेज अंडर एम्प्लॉयमेंट एग्रीमेंट, सर्विसेज बाय कोर्ट, एमपी और पर्सन्स इन ए कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल पोस्ट, फ्यूनरल एंड रिलेटेड सर्विसेज, और यू कैन से सेल ऑफ लैंड और कंप्लीटेड बिल्डिंग एंड एक्शनेबल क्लेम अपार्ट फ्रॉम द लॉटरी एसेट्रा. इन दैट केस ऑल्सो ई ओ ए बिल इज नॉट नेसेसरी. नंबर 2 कहता है where the supply of goods being sent is stated as no supply under Schedule 3 of the Act. No supply under Schedule 3 of the Act means, suppose example, employee services, you can say employee services और या फिर सर्विसेज बाय कोर्ट और एमपी और पर्सन इन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल पोस्ट और पर्सन इन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल पोस्ट, सेल ऑफ लैंड और कंप्लीटेड बिल्डिंग एंड एक्शनेबल क्लेम अपार्ट फ्रॉम द लॉटरी एसेट्रा. इन दैट केस EOA bill is not necessary. Then number 3, where empty cargo containers are being sent, in that case also EOA bill is not required. Number 4, where the consigner of goods is the central government या फिर गवर्नमेंट ऑफ एनी स्टेट फॉर ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑफ गुड्स बाय रेल. अगर कंसाइनर ऑफ गुड्स अगर सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट होगा या फिर गवर्नमेंट ऑफ एनी स्टेट फॉर ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑफ एनी गुड्स थ्रू रेल, इन दैट केस ऑल्सो EOA बिल इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. देन नंबर 5, where the goods being sent are transit cargo from or to नेपाल और भूटान. अगर कुछ गुड्स इम्पोर्ट या फिर एक्सपोर्ट हो रहा है टू नेपाल और भूटान, फ्रॉम नेपाल और भूटान से कुछ गुड्स आ रहा है या फिर नेपाल और भूटान को कुछ गुड्स सेंड हो रहा है, इन दैट केस ऑल्सो EOA bill is not required. Where the goods being sent are transit cargo from or to नेपाल और भूटान. Nepal or Bhutan. In such cases, generating e-way bill is not necessary. Then number 6, any movement of goods caused by defense formation, under Ministry of Defense, as a consignor or consignee, tax invoice, credit and debit note. In such cases, generation of e-way bill is not necessary. So there are only 6 points. You just need to remember only 6 points and you will obtain 5 marks. Very easy and very important. First, number 1, where the goods are being sent by non-motorized conveyance. Non-motorized conveyance matlab if any goods sent through animal gari, ghoda gari, horse craft, or through by cycle, in that case also e-way bill is not required. Then number 2, where the supply of goods is being sent is treated as no supply, under Schedule 3 of the Act. And you know, Schedule 3 of the Act means there are number of cases like employee services under employment agreement, services by court or constitutional effort, MP or persons in a constitutional post, funeral and related services, you can say, or sale of land or completed building, and also actionable claim apart from the lottery, etc. So in some cases में generation of e-way bill is not necessary. Then number 3, where empty cargo container are being sent, transported, in that case also generating e-way bill is not necessary. Then number 4, where the consignor of goods is the central government of any state for transport of goods by rail. In such cases also e-way bill is not required. Again, in number 5, where the goods being sent are transit cargo from or to Nepal or Bhutan. In such cases, generation of e-way bill is not necessary. Number 6, any movement of goods caused by defense formation under Ministry of Defense as a consignor or consignee, tax invoice, credit and debit note. In some cases में generation of e-way bill is not necessary. So this is it all about cases where generation of e-way bill is not necessary. And thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for your support and happy studying.